takeoff, please.
10-4.
All right.
Roger, Vortex uniform will slow down.
I'd keep a little bit more power in there. Good. A little bit of right rudder and some left aileron into the wind just to track side slip there.
Second. Yeah.
So just a little bit more right rudder. Good. Nice, very nice. And just keep that left wing just a bit low. Yeah. Good. A little bit less power. Nice. Yeah. That's looking okay. Alright, so there we go. Power idle, look down at the end. Just hold the nose level off there.
Level off.
Start to bring it up a little bit more.
3-3 short delay departure to the north.
Yeah, good. And then just hold it up. Keep those left wing inputs, and then you can start to work the brakes in. There you go. That's quite a nice crosswind landing there. Yeah, it's definitely, it's demanding on a day like today. The winds are shifting a little bit. We'll take this left here.
Foxtrot Romeo, you 501, run east is 3-3.